At Washington Middle School, our summer enrichment program was about the Resident Expert Project. In this project, the students were able to choose what they were naturally curious about to create research questions around and explore.
So what we're really trying to do is encourage student autonomy. So not only do students get to choose their own topic of interest for research, but they get to explore different programs and software to present their research in.
This is a natural way of leading the students into AP seminar when they get to high school so that they can create research projects at that time that may lead them into their university studies.
What I found out about evolution is that it can help in four varieties. What you need to do to evolve is reproduction, heredity, and variation in fitness. So reproduction is one condition necessary to evolve, which is basically offsprings. Heredity is just what the parents give to their babies. And variation in fitness is that in every generation they become faster and stronger. And in additional information is that when new traits can also count for transfer for genes between populations and migrations or between species, and horizontal genes transfer.
So what I'm focusing on is about nail polish and what are the consequences of using nail polish to us humans and the environment. And so what I found was that it can be harmful to us because when you paint your nails, like you have pores in your skin, in your nail bed and whatever. So it goes inside you and you're basically hurting yourself.
So I'm doing Mexican food. I'm doing the different types of Mexican food. Like there's pozole or there's tacos. There's an image right there. But I'm also doing the foods that are made from corn. Like for example tortillas or chilaquiles.
Here we have tobacco products used in high schools from 2015 to 2011 to 2015. Here are the percentage of students and the tobacco products that are currently being sold to these students, such as cigarettes, cigars, and hookahs. And the 2016 National Youth Tobacco Survey noted that 1.7 million high school students said that they've used e-cigars in the previous 30 days. For middle school students, the number was 500,000.